Welcome to our journey through the seasons. Each year, the Earth experiences four unique seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Let's explore how and why weather changes throughout the year. Hi, kids. Today we are going to learn about the four unique seasons and how they change throughout the year.
As Earth orbits the Sun, different regions receive varying amounts of sunlight depending on the time of year. This tilt means that when one hemisphere is tilted towards the Sun, it experiences longer days and more direct sunlight, resulting in warmer temperature. Summer. Conversely, when the same hemisphere is tilted away from the sun, the days are shorter and the sunlight is more spread out, leading to colder temperatures. Winter. At the same time, the opposite hemisphere experiences the opposite seasons. For example, when it's summer in the northern hemisphere around June to September, it is winter in the southern hemisphere, and vice versa around June to September. This cycle is the fundamental aspect of how our planet's climate patterns work.
What is an orbit? In geography, an orbit refers to the repeated path that one celestial body, such as a planet or moon, follows around a larger body like the Sun or Earth due to its gravitational forces. It describes the circular or elliptical trajectory an object takes as it revolves around a central point. For example, the Earth orbits the Sun and the Moon orbits the Earth.
What is hemisphere? A circle drawn around Earth's center divides it into two equal halves called hemisphere or half spheres. In geography, a hemisphere refers to one of the two equal halves of the Earth, which are usually divided by the equator into the northern and southern hemispheres, or by the prime meridian into the eastern and western hemispheres. Essentially, a hemisphere represents half of the Earth's spherical shape. Why do we have seasons? As the Earth spins on its axis, producing night and day, it also moves about the Sun in an elliptic or elongated circle orbit that requires about 365 one-fourth days to complete. The Earth's spin axis is tilted with respect to its orbital plane. This is what causes the seasons. When the Earth's axis points towards the Sun, it is summer for that hemisphere. The tilt of the Earth's axis plays a circular role in shaping our weather patterns. To understand why, take a piece of paper and a flashlight. Shine the flashlight directly into the paper, creating a small, bright circle of light. Now, tilt the paper slowly. As you do this, the circle of light stretches into an ellipse, while that while the total amount of light remains the same. The light is now spread over the larger area, meaning the density of light, a heat per square centimeter decreases. When the sun is directly overhead, the sunlight is concentrated in a similar area, delivering more heat per square centimeter. However, when the sun is lower in the sky, its rays are spread out and the heat per square centimeter decreases. The Earth's tilted axis causes this variation in the angle of sunlight. Heat per square centimeter refers to the amount of heat energy spread across an area of 1 square centimeter, usually measured in calories per square centimeter, calorie per centimeter squared. One calorie represents the heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius. Essentially, it indicates the heat density within a given area. For the northern hemisphere, the axis points most directly towards the sun in June, around June 21st, bringing the longest day and marking the summer solstice. In contrast, around December 21st, the northern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun, resulting in the winter solstice. In the southern hemisphere, this pattern are reversed. Around March 21st and September 21st, the Earth's axis is neither tilted towards nor away from the sun, creating nearly equal day and night lengths, known as the spring and fall equinox. On these days, every place on Earth experiences approximately 12 hours of daylight and 12 hours of darkness. The latitude of the southern hemisphere ranges from 0 degree at the equator to 90 degrees south at the South Pole. Latitude lines are numbered from the North Pole 90 degree north to the equator 0 degree, and then from the equator to the South Pole 90 degrees south. Negative latitude represent locations in the southern hemisphere. The angular distance of a place east or west of the meridian at Greenwich, England, or west of the standard meridian of a celestial object is known as longitude. It is typically expressed in degrees and minutes. For example, at a longitude of 2 degree west indicates location 2 degree west of the prime meridian. Spring is the time when flowers bloom, trees get their leaves, and the weather becomes warmer. Birds start chirping, and animals come out of hibernation. What do we do on spring? Enjoy nature and go outside. Take walks or hikes. Spring brings pleasant weather, making it a great time to explore parks, gardens, or nature trails. Observe flowers blooming. Spring is when many flowers like tulips, daisies, and cherry blossoms bloom. It is a good time to visit botanical garden. Watch wildlife. Many animals are more active in spring, so you may spot birds building nests or squirrel gathering food. Plant flowers, trees, or vegetables. Spring is the perfect time to plant new flowers, trees, and vegetables. As the ground warm up, the days get longer. Gardening. Tend to your garden, whether it's a flower garden, vegetable patch, or herb garden. Spring is a time to care for your plants and see them grow. Spring cleaning. Clean and declutter your home. Many people do a deep cleaning of their homes during spring to refresh their living spaces after winter. Organize and donate. Spring cleaning is also a time to get rid of items you no longer need and donate them. Celebrate holidays and events. Easter celebrations. Many families celebrate Easter with activities like egg hunting, decorating eggs, and having family meals. Spring Festival. Various communities hold festivals to celebrate the season with music, food, and cultural events. What do we do on summer? Summer is the hottest season. We can play outside, go to the beach, and enjoy sunny days. Outdoor sports and games. Play sports. Summer is perfect for playing outdoor games like soccer, baseball, basketball, tennis, or volleyball. Go hiking or biking. Take advantage of the sunny days by exploring nature trails or cycling around your neighborhood or in the mountains. Fly kites. The warm summer breeze makes it an ideal time for flying kites. Travel and vacations. Take a family trip. Many families go on vacations during summer, whether to a tropical destination, an amusement park, or a camping trip. Explore new places. Whether near or far, summer is a great time to travel and discover new towns, cities, or countries. Summer festivals and events. Attend music festivals. Many outdoor music festivals take place in the summer, offering live performance and a chance to enjoy music with friends. Enjoy local fairs. Summer fairs and carnivals often feature rides, games, food stands, and entertainment. Celebrate the 4th of July or the local summer holidays. In countries like the US, people celebrate with fireworks, barbecues, and outdoor parties. Gardening and enjoy nature. Grow a garden. Summer is a peak growing season for fruits, vegetables, and flowers. Many people take this time to tend to their gardens. Visit parks and botanical gardens. Summer brings beautiful flowers, plants, and lush greenery, making it a great time to explore public gardens or nature reserves. Host the barbecue or cookout. Summer is the perfect time to fire up the grill and enjoy outdoor meals with family and friends. Eat ice cream or popsicle. Cool off with refreshing treats like ice cream, popsicle, or frozen yogurt. Fall. Cool and colorful. Fall. In fall, the weather gets cooler and the leaves on the trees change color. It is the time for fun activities like jumping in leaf piles.
Go apple picking. Fall is harvest time for apples, and many orchards open their doors for families to pick fresh apples. Visit pumpkin patches. Many people visit pumpkin patches to pick out pumpkins for decoration or carving, making for a fun family outing.
Baking and cooking. Bake fall treats. Fall is a season for warm and comforting baked goods. Make pies, muffins, cookies, and cakes featuring autumn flavors like pumpkin, apple, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Make hot drinks. Enjoy cozy drinks like hot chocolate, cider, or pumpkin spice lattes. Fall is the perfect time for warm beverages to take the chill off. Roast marshmallows or chestnuts. Enjoy campfires or backyard bonfires by roasting marshmallows for s'mores or chestnuts for a seasonal treat.
Winter is the coldest season, and it often snows. We wear warm clothes, and sometimes we even build snowmen. We also celebrate holidays. Winter holidays and celebrations. Celebrate Christmas or Hanukkah. Many people celebrate winter holidays like Christmas, Hanukkah, and New Year's Eve with family gathering, gift giving, and special meals. Second, decorate for the holidays. Whether it's decorating a Christmas tree or putting up lights, winter is a time to celebrate with festival decorations. 3. New Year's Eve. Many people celebrate the arrival of New Year with parties, fireworks, or watching the ball drop in Times Square. Winter Festival. 4. Attend Winter Festival light display or holiday markets that take place in many cities during the winter season. Relaxation and self-care. Take bath or indulge in self-care. Winter can be a time to pamper yourself with a warm bath, skincare routine, or even a cozy day of relaxation. Practice mindfulness or meditation. with shorter days and cold, colder weather. Winter can be an excellent time to slow down and practice mindfulness, meditation, or journaling. Prepare for the upcoming year. Reflect and set goals. As the year winds down, winter is a great time to reflect on the past year and set goals for the future. Organize and declutter. After the holiday season, some people use winter to clean out their homes, organize space, or prepare for the new year ahead.
Enjoy winter traditions. Watch winter themed movies. Some people enjoy winter themed or holiday movies like Home Alone, The Polar Express, or Frozen to get into the spirit of season. Winter may be cold, but it is a season full of opportunities for cozy indoor activities, winter sports, and celebrating holidays. Whether you are exploring the outdoors or staying inside to relax, there is plenty to enjoy during the colder months. Crafts and DIY projects. Winter is a great time to get creative with holiday crafts or indoor DIY projects, whether it's knitting, making homemade decorations, or creating personalized gifts.